In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Salesforce tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a clean list of contacts out of Salesforce using the built-in report tools, and you'll understand which export options to pick for your needs. We'll start in Reports. Open your Reports area and select your Contacts report. This can be any report that lists the contacts you want, such as a standard contacts report or a custom one your team uses. Before exporting, it's a good idea to make sure the report shows exactly what you need. Apply filters to narrow the list to the right group, like a specific region or status, and confirm the columns include the fields you care about, such as email, phone, or owner. The more accurate your report is here, the cleaner your export will be. If you don't see the report you need or you can't access it, you may need permission to run or export reports, so check with your administrator. With the report open, look to the top right of the report for the small caret icon. It's the drop-down arrow that reveals more actions for the report. Click that caret to open the menu and choose Export. This takes you to the export options. Here, choose the export format that fits your workflow. You'll typically see two styles: Formatted Report, which looks like what you see on screen, and Details Only, which gives you raw rows of data. If you plan to do analysis, upload to another tool, or open the data in a spreadsheet without extra styling. Details Only is usually the better choice. Within Details Only, you can pick CSV or Excel. CSV is the most versatile, and works well with spreadsheets and other systems. Excel is convenient if you're staying in Microsoft 365. Pick the one your team prefers. Once you select the format, Salesforce prepares the file and downloads it to your computer. Open it to confirm everything looks right. If you see too many or too few records, adjust your report filters and export again. If you notice columns you don't need, remove them from the report first so your next export is leaner. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Large reports can take a moment to generate, so be patient. If you export often, consider saving the report so it's ready next time. And always handle contact data responsibly. Store it securely and share only with authorized teammates. That's all you need to export contacts from Salesforce using reports. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.